I think feedback is something you definitely have to have. And when you're working with a file, you want to make sure that you're giving people the right feedback. If I open a Excel file and start to build my report, I can add all kinds of information. And once I get the information added, I can, well, build my different visuals. All right, so far what I've done is I've created three different visuals. One visual is a map, another one is a line graph, and I'll just kind of put this up at the top. And I've also got sales by product that I have decided to create a donut chart with. So this basically is creating a nice little report, a nice little dashboard for myself where I can analyze the total sales by country. I also have sales by product, and I've got the profit by date. But then I can put in something like a nice little slider here, like the year that I have. So I can filter the year and kind of slide that back and forth. I can also add myself another slicer here, and I'll actually switch this one to a tile, and I'll move these around a little bit. You also have other visuals that you can use to kind of jazz things up a little bit, like a nice little card. And for the card, I could take something straightforward and simple, like say gross sales, and display the gross sales, just like this. If there's anything that I don't like, there's a lot of different features that I have that will help me edit, change the colors, but for the most part, you now have a interactive dashboard, which is awesome. A nice little interactive report that shows you a whole bunch of different things that you can manipulate. And that is a lot better than a boring Excel chart.